Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for the day. So, February 12. Ang topic po natin for the day is ano ang pinaka nakakatakot na nilalang sa Bible? So, that is cherubim, yung topic po natin for the day. And ang verse po natin for the day, aking po mabasahin, is Genesis chapter 3 verse 24. After he drove the man out, he placed the east in place on the east side of the Garden of Eden, cherubim and the flaming sword, flashing back and forth to guard the way to the tree of life. So, ang ibig sabihin daw po dito ay isa po yung cherubim po is hindi siya angel, kundi ginawa po siya ng ating Panginoon in order to guard the Garden of Eden. Diba? So, the cherub sa first teaching po natin is the cherubim shows God's holiness. Kasi po, in the Bible po, the cherubim often guard sacred places. Kunwari po sa Garden of Eden as mentioned by Pastor Russell. So, sa Genesis chapter 3 verse 24, yung verse po natin for today. And the Ark of Covenant, Exodus chapter 25 verses 18 to 22. So, their presence po, that now is important because God is set apart, pure, and worthy of worship. So, basically, sila po yung nagbabantay ng Garden of Eden. Sila po yung holy na nagbabantay po yun kasi yung mga humans is makasalanan na. Second teaching po is the cherubim shows God's judgment. So, they are often seen in visions of God's throne. Yung tagapagbantay ng throne ni God, Ezekiel chapter 10, where they execute divine justice. Dito po pinapaalala tayo na si God po ay not only merciful but also a righteous judge. Sabihin, hindi lang siya nagpapatawad kundi nagbibigay rin po siya ng justice sa mga kailangan o nangangailangan ng justice. Dahil siya po ang kabayaran po sa kasalanan ay kamatayan. Pero nung naligtas po tayo ng ating Panginoon, diba? Na patawad na po tayo ng ating Panginoon. So, third teaching po is the cherubim shows God's glory. Cherubim appear po in scenes filled with God's overwhelming presence, like in Isaiah chapter 6 verse 1 to 3, where they cry, "Holy, holy is the Lord Almighty." That reflects God's majestic power. So, sabihin po yung cherubim po yung sign na yung ating Panginoon is sobra yung glory ng ating Panginoon dahil nakapag-create siya ng beings na gano'n yung cherubim na nagbabantay or holy beings na hindi po sila angel. Diba yung cherubim po is not an angel kundi sila po yung tagapagbantay sa mga holy places katulad po ng Garden of Eden and Ark of the Covenant. So, sila po yung nagkakatiwala ng ating Panginoon doon kasi sila po ay holy, diba, na creation. So, ayun lang po. Ako si Godfrey Quizon and this is my devotion for today, February 12. And sana po ay maraming instrument. Ayun lang po. May God bless.